Hi guys, so I told you I'd come back if something came in the mail, and something did. So, I had mentioned that Spellbinders was delivering tomorrow, and I guess it came in UPS actually. But I got my stuff today, and that always happens. It always ends up arriving a day earlier than expected. So, they are in Arizona, so maybe that's another reason why. But let me open this up. So I have some items here. If I have links for these items, there'll be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you use those links to make any purchases. Speaking of that, I told you guys earlier, Craft Stash is having like a 15 off of a certain amount or more, 25% off a certain amount or more, 30% off of $80 or more, and their site is busy. I was having no problem adding things to my car. I was going to go check out, but then I thought, well, I want some other things, and now that I've been trying to check out for the last 2 hours, it is like crashing, busy. So if you're trying to purchase anything there, hang in there. I already put in a little message to them saying like maybe they should extend that 30% off or whatever the deal, because it's crazy. So I guess I should have just got the worm if I was early, right? Because like I said earlier this morning, it was fine. It was no problem. And then now it's just I can't even get into the checkout. So they do have a lot of items, a lot of varied things, a lot of cute things actually new from different places, including Spellbinders, which is interesting. And it's just a great deal. So, people are trying to get in there, I suppose. Okay. So these items that I have from Spellbinders are still in their buy one, get one free category. Some things were on clearance, and so I'll show you that before I show you the, what's the thing called? The monthly craft kit, and the works is what I get, so I'll show you guys that in just a minute. But yeah, so some of these things, like I said, were on clearance. Oh, how cute! That is flippin' adorable. Did you guys know that? I didn't know. So these things were on clearance, and I just wanted to check them out because I thought those are cute little buttons, and they're like $1. They come in their own little like plastic packaging. That is adorable. I love it. So cute little buttons. Again, like I said, they were on clearance for like $1, and I just picked some of those up and picked some of these guys up. Oh my gosh. I love this packaging. I love the packaging more than anything else. And then the little wooden spools. These are so cute, and they're fun for like different little mixed media things, or just making your own little things out of. So I did get these. Again, they were super clearance, and they're in their own little plastic. I mean, I think you can see it through the packaging, but look at that. That is adorable, because obviously they're reusable. So I like that a lot. I got some Jane Davenport acrylic paints, because why not? I want to try them out. And so I have a few different colors here. Let me see if I can open this up. Alright, so we have I Love You Pink, I have Minty Fresh, Look at Me Lilac, and Ancient Pages. And all these just coordinate together so pretty. I love it. So I was happy to get some of these. Try them out. I do like they're in like a squirt bottle. And this is I'm assuming these are pretty much the items that were buy one, get one free. They're usually the dies, I think, but actually some of this is still from the clearance section. Scrapbook.com is also having their summer clearance. A lot of the items are items that have been in their clearance section, but they have some new things in there. And then today you get a free Distress Oxide ink with a $20 or more purchase, so you can check that out too. But okay, I think these were just on the clearance area, because what I did was I did my buy one, get one free, basically the dies that cost the most, like $26 or so. So these are just another clearance section stuff. This is called Love and Hugs. It says 3 stamps. Let me open this up. Aw, so it has a little banner, and then you can type it or put in the word love or hugs. But I have other ideas that I'm going to use that for too, because you can put any little letters that would fit in there. This is a 3-ring binder refill pack. Now I thought these were interesting because they're for the altered page kind of stuff. And I just like the way it looks. So I just grabbed these. Again, they were super cheap. You can pop them into something else or do whatever we want with. But check this out. Again, in the clearance section, so it has the tabs and everything. And you can just pop them in wherever, or just distress them, do whatever you want with them. So I thought that was kind of a fun thing to pick up. And then another book. I've been using my journal every day, all the time. Again, it was on super clearance, and these things are only like $1 or something to pop in there. And I've been using them to design my stamps, to do other fun things, like little hand-carved stamps and stuff like that. So it's been really great. So I grabbed some more refills. This is the filigree booklet, and I was curious to see the size of this. I think it might have said there because they usually give you some description, but I didn't pay too much attention to it. So really cool because it has the outer booklet and it has the inner pages. It has the little holes for your binding, and then it has 2 filigrees that you can either use or not use or decorate however you want. So that's really cute. This is APG die. So again, this is from the buy one get one free section. I love this Holly Jolly Christmas. Look at how pretty that is. So it's the outer frame, that inner part, another frame, this little decorative part if you want to use it, another frame of some hollies, and then the word Merry Christmas. Just really pretty. This one I have been looking at for a long time, so I finally popped on it because I was like, you know what, I usually don't do a lot of paper piecing. It drives me nuts, but I like the size of Spellbinders characters, so I knew it wasn't going to take a lot or be that hard, right? So I do like the way they have things paired up here, you know, in the different sections, the way like you can cut certain things out. It makes a little toadstool and the little people, and it's the gnome one. It's called Game of Gnomes from September 2019, and you can kind of see a little bit about them there. And somebody else did mention that they had picked this up and she really liked it, so thank you for that recommendation. This little cutie is a Charming Cottage box, and this is why I pretty much placed my order, because I was like, I need to get that box, right? We always want our little box. So it has a cute little guy. It looks like when you're done, the box might be like 2.5 inches square, kind of what it looks like. And then the height is, yeah, it's like a 2.5 inch cube, and then obviously you have a little more height in the top there. But it has so many things on it with the little gingerbread man, the little tags, and the little tree, a bow, just a bunch of cute things. So I grabbed those, again, all from the buy one get one free sale that is still going on. And let's check out the card kit of the month along with, I got all of them because, to be honest, I forgot to go in and edit anything. And I'm not even sure that I want to edit anything this month. Sorry, there's a lot of tape on this box. So it always comes in this really cute, alright, I'm gonna have to cut that out, sorry guys. I was like, is my address on here? They put the address everywhere, so it's on the front really big. But apparently there's a little tag on the back I wasn't aware of. Alright, so we have this little guy. So we have the small die of the month. And I'm curious about this one because a lot of people were like, oh, I really like it. Some people were like, I'm going to skip it, you know. So I really want to do something fun with this. Probably not what they expect, I was thinking more like this, which is funny. I'm not sure why they put the little lettering in there. That looks cute though on that one. But to me, it's more of a put it together, make it look kind of like filigree-ish. I was thinking about using it right now, but it's kind of hot in here. My neighbor's using his blower. I don't know what he's doing out there. And sometimes you guys tell me you can't hear it, but I can hear it. So it's kind of like, So that's the small, called Sitting Pretty. I swear, he's like, okay. This one is the pop-up 3D vignette telephone. When I saw this, I said, yes, I'm gonna get that. So that was not an issue. I was happy to get this in. This is the Amazing Paper Grace die of the month, August 2020. I know this is not inexpensive by itself, and that's kind of why I go for the larger kit with the works, because literally, like, one thing is maybe $15 more, okay, maybe $17 more to get the other thing instead of paying like $25 and $35 more or whatever they want. I don't really know what it is, but it's something like that. It's a lot higher if you're buying them individually. The other thing I wanted to mention is, and I don't know if this is because I live in California, but I do not pay taxes on these things, and it's the shipping is included, so the price that they show there is basically what I'm paying, so which is kind of nice. Okay, so it has Call Me, it has Hello Beautiful, it has Let's Chat, and like they cut into wherever you're going to put those words. So when I looked at this, I thought it made a little card, and you can make a little card, but basically it makes like a little mini album if you want it to. So really cute. I don't know if you can see that here. I'm really curious to try it out, and you know, I don't know if you can see that. Each little section you can pull it out and you can put a picture on it or something cute. So it kind of stands up on its own, and it also is a little bit interactive. I just think it's really cute. So I'm definitely going to be obviously reviewing these in the next coming days. This stuff you can still get into. If you're interested in, like, let's say the APG or one of the kit clubs, as long as, if you still order throughout the month until the last day of that month, you are going to get that month's kit. It's not like ahead of time. So if you order today, tomorrow, the next month, it doesn't matter. Not the next month, but by the 30th or whatever is the last day of the month, 31st, you'll still get August kit. And then the next month, they'll still charge you on that same day for the next month. They're not going to charge you on the 1st and like reset it. It just, whatever day you signed up is whatever day they're going to keep sending it to you. And if you want to get this month's, but next month you want to be on the 1st, you would let it come, right? You sign up for it, let it come, and then cancel your membership. You literally just cancel it and then start up again. So cancel it by the end of the month, start it again on the 1st, order the next one, and then it'll reset. So it sounds complicated, but it's not complicated. It's easier, basically, I guess, because they're like, oh, you don't have to bother us with anything. Just do it yourself there online, and you can just cancel it real easy, and you can sign up again real easy. It's not a big deal. So this is a 3D still life easel and canvas, and this one I was just, when I saw this one too, I was like, yes, I'm gonna get that. So this little die right here makes like a little frame, which is adorable, and then this one is the one that I think that makes the little sticks if you want to make like an easel for it, which you don't have to, but so there's your little easel sticks. And you know what, it's less complicated than I thought, because I know a lot of people were like, oh, I was kind of concerned. So you have these pieces and you just fold them up into a tube, just kind of like I showed you on the diamond press video for the other little items. And then you're gonna put them together, you do your little frame, which is so cute. Oh my gosh. And then there you go. So again, I'll review this obviously, and then it's kind of fun because it comes with like a little, like, I don't know, I would say like Monet looking thing, or, you know, some artist kind of a still life portrait you can make there, which is really cute. Okay, so this is open already, so I might as well just show it to you. So this is the card kit for August, and usually the sticker is holding it shut, but it opened up. So again, they always come with tape. It comes with like a little inspiration sheet, maybe an explanation of how to do like a card. So I'll obviously review this later. It has some sequins. It always comes with dimensional adhesives. Always comes with white card bases. This little globe with all kinds of fun little things you can cut into it or out of it. The globe there. Around the world. Oh, I didn't even mention that. It's called Around the World, guys. So tons of die cuts that are really cute. I really like their dies. Die cuts. And their dies. Chipboard pieces. Lots of them. Cute, that little... Oh, that's like the little spot thing. Like navigation thing, huh? That's so cute. Stamp set with all kinds of things, with like a little, not a keychain, but what do you want to call that? A luggage tag type thing, right? And then all the little dates and numbers. That's really cute. Or basically numbers. And some beautiful layered butterfly stickers. I recently reviewed like an old kit that had something similar, and I love them. They're so pretty. So there's some more of those in there. We have our paper in here. Paper pack. Of course, when I go through them, I'll go through it, you know, in the next video when I review these. But again, all these pretty papers, and it always comes with a metallic paper like this one, which I love. So pretty. So that's it, guys. Again, if you're hanging in there trying to check out Craft Stash, just I guess keep trying, because I'm gonna, as soon as I'm done here and I'm uploading and editing, I am gonna keep trying. Because okay, if I have to trim that out too. I showed my address again, didn't I? So I'm gonna try to get in there. Again, some of these sales are still going on, the buy one get one free, and the Spellbinders super surprise mystery bag. And that's it, guys. So keep an eye out. I have tons of diamond press coming up for the HSN Craft Day. Of course, they've already been released, and you can check those things out. But my videos are going to be up maybe later today. I was planning on doing one today, but now I'm like, oh, there's so many videos. So it might be tomorrow and the next day. So anyhow, thank you guys so much. Thanks for the support and for watching. And I hope you're all doing well, staying in there, hanging in there, and we'll get all through this together. All right, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.